Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best organic dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Newman's Own Chicken and Liver Dinner. Providing your dog with a nutritionally balanced organic diet doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg. Newman's Own Organic Chicken and Liver Dinner for Dogs is made up of nourishing whole ingredients, with the main ingredients being organic chicken, organic chick broth, and organic liver. This pate-style wet food is ground smooth, making it a great option for dogs who struggle with structured foods, like puppies, small dogs, and elderly dogs. What's more, thanks to the generosity of founder Paul Newman, Newman's Own has committed 100% of its profits to animal welfare charities. This means that your purchase will be directly contributing to charities like Fidelco Guide Dog Foundation and the Search Dog Foundation. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Castor and Pollux Organics Grain-Free Organic Puppy Recipe Grain-Free Dry Dog Food. With nourishing ingredients like organic flaxseed, chicken, blueberries, and sweet potato, it's easy to see why Castor and Pollux is a leader in the organic dog food market. Like any baby, puppies need a little extra care when it comes to their diet. Luckily, Castor and Pollux's Organics dry puppy food is filled with tons of healthy, filling ingredients, giving your pup the best chance to grow up strong and healthy. As if the USDA certification wasn't enough to set this kibble apart from other natural dog foods, it's also fortified with essential fatty acids, including docosahexaenoic acid, an anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acid that is crucial for early brain development and heart health. At number 3, we have the Honest Kitchen Whole Grain Dog Food. The Honest Kitchen has built its reputation around honest, wholesome animal food products, and this whole grain recipe is no exception. While this product is not USDA certified organic, it is labeled as having natural, organic ingredients. This means the product contains at least 3 organically grown ingredients, ranging from flaxseed and barley to oats and kelp. Available in 3 different meat varieties, the Honest Kitchen can accommodate to suit even the fussiest of eaters. As this food is dehydrated, you'll need to add water before serving. While this may seem like extra work, it actually increases the shelf life of your pet food and minimizes the space you need in your cupboard or fridge to store your pet food. An added bonus is that the Honest Kitchen can decrease their carbon footprint, reduce packaging, and use less water when producing dehydrated food, making their product much more environmentally friendly. At number 2, we have the Lily's Kitchen Proper Dry Organic Dog Food. There is mounting evidence that certain non-organic pet food ingredients can act as a catalyst for allergies and ongoing health issues in dogs. Containing wheat-free, hypoallergenic botanical ingredients, Lily's Kitchen's Proper Dry Organic Dog Food is the ideal dry food for dogs with allergenic skin or sensitive tummies. These ingredients, which include chickweed, rosehip, and milk thistle, are packed with anti-inflammatory properties and high levels of antioxidants, helping to soothe irritated skin and calm sensitive tummies. Manufactured in the European Union, this dry kibble has not been certified by the USDA. However, this product is still 100% organic. This means there are no nasty chemicals, pesticides, or fertilizer residues to trigger an allergic reaction in your dog's tummy or on its skin. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ziwi Peak air-dried dog food. Given its country of origin, this product hasn't been certified as organic by the USDA. However, this New Zealand-based company only uses sustainable and ethically sourced ingredients in their products, and would most likely be considered a 100% organic animal product on the US market. Each packet of Ziwi Peak kibble contains up to 96% meat products, animal organs, and New Zealand green mussels without any added grains, chemicals, or antibiotics. All the meat products used are free-range, grass-fed, and free from genetic modification. Packed with naturally available nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, this dog food can act as both a complete meal and a meal topper to add a boost to your dog's current diet. Given the high number of micronutrients in each kibble biscuit, Ziwi Peak can also be soothing for dogs with skin allergies. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.